Hello, friends. Today we are discussing an exciting question. Will the iPhone XR get the iOS 19 update? With Apple continuing to roll out updates for older devices, how much longer can the XR keep up? Let's dive in. The iPhone XR was launched in 2018 with iOS 12 out of the box. Over the years, it has received consistent updates, making it one of the Apple's most reliable devices. Currently, it's on iOS 18, and the big question is, will Apple include it in the iOS 19 list or no? Apple is known for its long software support. For example, the iPhone 6s received updates for over 6 years. Following this pattern, the iPhone XR might just make the cut for iOS 19, but there are factors to consider. The Apple 8-volt Bionic chip in the iPhone XR is still capable of everyday use, but with each iOS update, newer features demand more processing power. Advanced features in iOS 19 could be optimized for newer chips, which might leave older devices like the XR out. So, what's my take? Based on Apple's history, I believe the iPhone XR has a strong chance of getting iOS 19. However, it might not support all the advanced features like real time AI processing or newer widgets. But hey, even if iOS 19 is its last update, that's still the great for 2018 phone. What do you think? Will Apple roll out iOS 19 for the XR, or it's time to say goodbye to updates? Let me know in the comments below if you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.